Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Monday wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion revolving XRP. Looking across the market, we actually started off Monday on a really positive note. And if you've been watching the channel over the course of the last few days, especially even last night, I did say, it's going to be really important to see how, Bitcoin reacts as we open up the brand new week. Of course, the crypto markets never sleep. There's no closing of the market. It's pretty much trading every single day. But of course, the traditional market does have a little bit of an impact, especially over the course of the last, month and a half. There's a lot of external factors that are just impacting the traditional markets, which is of course impacting crypto as well. But you are seeing Bitcoin actually bouncing above $56,000 this morning. And again, the continuation of the green that we have seen pretty much over the weekend actually still holding as of now. So that's great. If you picked up some altcoins over the course of the last few days, I'm sure you guys are not complaining. But in terms of getting excited right now, I still think we do have a little bit more time before we can start really getting excited. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, just in, 725 billion asset manager Bernstein says if Donald Trump is re-elected president, Bitcoin may reach $90,000. So pretty much, an asset manager is predicting, and again, they're just predicting, they're just saying their personal opinion that if Donald Trump is re-elected, Bitcoin can reach $90,000. And of course, again, I don't really talk politics, but the overall, the kind of feeling that people have in the space, whether it's analysts, or even crypto supporters, if Donald Trump wins, because he has been endorsing crypto quite a bit this time around, and he wants to make US the crypto hub. And obviously, if he were to be elected, there could be a little bit of a positive impact. And some people are saying Bitcoin could actually end up hitting a new all-time high. So let's see what happens. Is the market going to start heading towards the upside slowly but surely into the November election? That is what we're going to see. If so, and if it does go as planned, we could see Bitcoin actually doing some good things. But Japan's largest electricity company, Tokyo Electric Power, to use renewable energy to mine Bitcoin. Oh yeah, big news coming out. But let's quickly take a look at what's happening with the price of XRP, and then I will go over some analyst personal projection that XRP could be making a move towards the upside, and it kind of goes and coincides with what I have been saying over the course of the last few weeks. And obviously, when I pull out that, I will explain to you. But, in terms of the price, 53.58 cents, up 1.7% in USD, down about 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap still holding above 30 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting below $1 billion. But as of now, that is what the case is. But let's go over this article because it kind of coincides. And what I mean by coincide is, I've been talking that XRP is holding much better than the broader market, considering the amount of volatility that we have seen in the markets. XRP is continuing to hold much better than the broader market, and this is something I've been emphasizing over the course of the past few days. And I don't talk about crazy price predictions, as I've said from the beginning. We have to take a look at the small gradual increases, step-by-step process. As far as price goes, I think where the excitement part comes in is when the price goes into the 78.6, and I do believe if there's no appeal and this lawsuit is to be able to come to an end for good, which of course is not the case right now. There's still quite a bit of time left until this happens. And if this appeal does not happen and Ripple pays the $125 million to the SEC and this is done for good, I think that can take the price of XRP to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which we haven't seen since last year. And again, that would be a huge deal for XRP. But let's go over this analyst personal forecast, and kind of goes as to what I said in my previous updates as well. So according to a recent analysis shared by crypto market expert Matt, the Bollinger Bands for XRP on the monthly chart have tightened to levels unseen since 2017, a period that preceded the token's explosive rally. Shout out to the crypto OGs that were there from that time. I was literally there at that specific moment from 2016 all the way to 2018 all-time high. That was absolutely a crazy time to be alive, and shout out to the OGs. The Bollinger Bands of volatility indicator used to excess market conditions have been gradually squeezing month after month. Typically, when the distance between the upper and lower band narrows, it suggests a phase of low volatility, which is often followed by a sharp price movement. And speaking about XRP's volatility, as you guys know, have been following the channel, that we have actually seen XRP holding much better than the broader market, which of course shows low volatility. So I totally agree with that part. So you can see Matt says, that the current squeeze is way tighter than 2017, expressing optimism that the tightening will result in an astronomical price surge. So what happened the last time of XRP Bollinger Bands tightened? Last instance tightened bands for the XRP in 2017, and an explosive breakout occurred around the XRP traded at 0.005, which was in Q1 of 2017. And hold on to this specific thought. XRP then experienced a series of bullish monthly candles, first eliminating a zero by April 2017. The momentum continued into the following month, removing another zero by May, with the price rising to over 33 cents. But what we need to realize is that time around, crypto was completely the wild, wild west. And of course, people can come and make predictions regarding the previous price action. Of course, sometimes history does repeat itself in terms of chart patterns. Obviously, the lawsuit is going on, so that's also a huge catalyst that we need to consider right now. But what I want you guys to take away from this is, when you look at the 2017 levels, 2017 market valuation and the coins that were in circulation were much, much, much lower compared to what we have seen currently as of now. So, we need to keep that factor in mind. XRP's market valuation was literally pretty much none at that point. It wasn't even in massive billions, and right now you're sitting at a $30 billion market valuation for XRP. And again, that speaks for itself, right? These are some factors that we don't want to keep in mind. At that time in 2017, the market cap was much lower compared to what we see it as now. But let's continue. But in terms of Bollinger Bands, that's a technical analysis tool, and that is also an interesting thing that I do want to share with you guys, that's showing us that the strength that XRP really has on its side. But you can see now with the Bollinger Bands displaying a similar but even more compressed pattern, many analysts are speculating that the comparable breakout could be on the horizon. So pretty much Matt is saying that he could see that the previous move that we did see, a massive breakout, could actually end up happening. And I really like one thing about Matt, that he did not discuss about price. And you don't want to be discussing the price. Reason why, you hear thousands of predictions on XRP, people saying 30, 40, 60, 80, and these guys are pulling these prices out of literally thin air. You really want to understand what are some next targets and how these prices really move. Me personally speaking, as I've said, the area that you want to see XRP sitting at is in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but that does depend on Bitcoin as well. But right now, if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's actually starting to pick up traction right now. And I have said, this could go up very, very fast. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has had a great day. Obviously, we're not in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Obviously now, as the price of Bitcoin is trying to get back in the 23.6, there's a significant amount of resistance. As of now, in terms of getting excited, I'm still not excited. I know a lot of people are probably going to be shocked that, looking across the board, a lot of green, but I'm still not excited because of Bitcoin specifically. But let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys think that, XRP will have this move? Of course, if an appeal occurs, then, that kind of invalidates everything. But as of now, it's going based off of the way things are currently looking. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.